this is Shahy Hamdy, your Miss Grand Egypt International 2021. And today I would like to tell you about my experience in Dr. Joy's clinic. First of all, I want to tell you about the staff. They are really friendly and helpful. For me, I always want to feel warm wherever I go, so that's how I got it here exactly. They are very friendly, they are very welcoming. Once I came here, they offered me water, they offered me the very friendly service. And then when it comes to dentistry, which is the doctor's part, they are very professional. I came here to do 2 services actually. The first service is cleaning. So yes, because I'm going for Miss Grand International, so I need a proper cleaning, and not just a proper cleaning, I need a safe one. And the next step, I'm gonna go for whitening. So I'm pretty much excited about the whitening procedure. Of course, this is my first time. And of course, I need it because I'm gonna be on TV and we need it for Miss Grand International. I feel very safe, and of course you need to feel safe when you do such a procedure, such as whitening or cleaning or anything in general. I want to thank Dr. Joy's clinic for having me today and for the friendly welcoming and the service. Thank you so much.